Hi everybody, welcome back to a tutorial video. We haven't done a tutorial video for a long time. It's been a while. It's been a long time actually. I can't remember the last time I did a tutorial video. But do you want to make your photos look fast? Do you want to make your photos look like this? If so, make sure you subscribe if you're new here. Even if you're not, smash that like button and let's go straight into Photoshop and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so the first job is to duplicate the layer. You can either right click on the layer and press duplicate, or you can simply drag the layer down to the new layer tab there and it will duplicate for you. Either way is perfect. Then what we want to do is add the blur to the above layer. So we go to filter, we press blur, and then we go to radial blur. So make sure that the amount's on about, I like it about 70, and then the blur method has got to be zoom, and press OK, and we can see that it is all blurred out. But what I want me to be in focus and the background to be blurred. So to do that, we need to add a layer mask. So go down to layer mask, add a layer mask onto the picture, and then we need to select our brush, press B for brush, and then you can change the amount by pressing the brackets, the size of it, and make sure it's a nice soft brush like that one there. And then we just want to simply also quickly make sure that you press X to make sure the foreground is black, and then you just paint over the bit that you want in focus like that. It's up to you how you do it. I'm going to do it like that. I tend to make it the outside just a bit like that, so I like that. That's a really good one. And then you can also color correct it in Lightroom if you want to make it any different. It is simple as that. Let's try another one. Well, I've got this nice picture of a road with the trees coming over, and we'll do the same again. We need to duplicate the layer. What I'll do this time, I'll right click and press duplicate. Job done. And then we need to add the blur to it. So come to filter and then blur and radial blur. We'll up it. Should we up it a little bit on this one? Up to about 85. Make sure it's zoom, blur method, and then press OK. That looks really cool. So then add the layer mask down here. Then we come to the brush. Make sure your brush is selected. It's a nice soft brush, and this time what we'll do, make it a little bit bigger like that to see if we can just get one big click down like that. Perfect. So that is how to make your photos look fast. Do a little bit of experimentation. Create what you think looks really cool. Movement, somebody in the foreground looks better, I think, so it looks like somebody's moving fast rather than that sort of shot. But I really like it. It's a really cool effect, and that is this week's tutorial. Hope it helps. Comment down below, leave the links to your photos. I'll come and check them out, or follow me on Instagram and post them and link me in them on Instagram in the stories and stuff. Let me know how you get on and how you use this effect for your photos. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you on the next video. Cheers guys, bye.